Right, hey guys, so today I got my witch casket. It's meant to be slightly different this month. There is no incense in it, so I'm quite excited to see what's actually in it instead. So, right, we have a cheat sheet, which we never look at, and then we've got our little print, which actually, unless there's another one in here, that actually isn't from TK Art, so I'm a little bit upset. It's still a really, really nice design, and it will go with all the rest of the ones I've got up. So there's the first item, and then, sorry, it's back to front, but got Boss Witch. That is going straight up with my pentacle. And we've got Ancient Wisdom here, from Ancient Wisdom. I'm actually a supplier for them as well, which is quite cool. And this is the Wisdom Pure Essential Oils. It's a sensual blend. So, ooh, this has got patchouli, juniper berry and lang lang oil. Obviously this you can't use directly on your skin, I'm pretty sure. Yeah, so this one you can't put directly onto your skin. You do have to dilute this down with some sort of carrier oil if you want to use it. Oh wow, that is strong. Ooh, but yeah, like I said, you do have to, if you want to use this on your skin, you do have to dilute it down. I can't think what you need to. You can use, I think it's vitamin E oil, you can use, I don't think you can use coconut. I can't think of any of the oils off the top of my head now, but vitamin E is definitely a biggie that you can use to dilute this down. I don't think it tells me any instructions on here. No, but yeah, so there's that one. So it's got an odd scent to it. It is a nice scent though. And then we've got our ritual kit, which is a personal power ritual kit. So this is very like witchy power. I quite like this one. So let's just have a look, see what we've got inside. So the ritual contains, I can never read these, I'm just going to look through it instead. So we've got some herb, which is, I don't know. Oh, it's something root. I said I can't read the fancy writing. And then we've got some eyebright. I guess one of these is eyebright, one of these is Angelina or Angelica or something root. So there's those two. And then we have a red spell candle as well. So now I've butchered the names of them, put that away, and I'll just give you a little bit of a rundown of what it says. So you have to blend the two herbs together. And then you place it at the base of the candle, you light the candle, and then you meditate, and yeah. So, there's that. Ooh, what do I see there? Coffee bag. Ooh, we normally get a tea, I never want to try it. But this is a Caf Roma 100% fresh ground coffee in a bag. I probably might try in the morning, but my husband is going to love that. He'll have that. And then we've got some fennel seeds. Oh, me and my daughter can play with these. I'm guessing they're just seeds that you plant. I'm guessing. I'm not going to look at my cheat sheet. I'm going to open it up instead and just have a quick munch. If it is seeds that you can plant, then that is going to be cool. Let's have a look. Yes, they are in there. I think you can probably use some spells as well, or possibly plant them. Not sure. Again, all these bags are biodegradable as well, and obviously definitely reusable. And I can see something in here. Ooh. We've already had one of these before, which I'll show you in a minute. But we have got, I like this one more. We've got a pentacle. You can see I always wear mine on here, and I also have my earrings as well. We've got another one, and I'll just move grab my other one from Witch Casket. So this is the one that we had before. This is the one we got now, so it's a lot smaller, but I like that one. Put that one back up there. Let's just see. It just says, lovely made for Witch Casket by Cruelty. Ooh. So this is specially made for them, and it's nice. It looks like it's quite a short necklace as well. I'm going to pop it on to have a look. Oh no, it's not too short. Oh, it is. Ooh, okay, I like that. Like that. Got to hide it for my daughter though, because she will steal it. She is a toe rag for that. And I am keeping something behind deliberately. And ooh! Oh! So we've got a little bit of fabric here. It says Season of the Witch casket. And it looks like it's an iron-on sticker. Oh, I need to get a denim jacket to put that on. Most definitely. And then we've got a pin. I love this pin. It's going straight on my handbag. And it just clearly says Boss Witch. I freaking love this basket. And then we got, oh god, that is hefty. Got a Selenite palm stone for peace, meditation, harmony and spiritual healing. I do like Selenite. I'm probably pronouncing it wrong. But this is a palm stone. It's going to be freaking, oh, it's gorgeous. Just look at it. And it is freaking massive as well. Just look at the size of that. That is literally is a full-on palm stone. I cannot wait to meditate with this. Absolutely cannot wait. It is huge. Huge. There doesn't say anything else about it. It just says for peace, meditation, harmony and spiritual healing. And said I do like to hold crystals when I meditate. And yeah, that is definitely going to be one that's going to be in my hand. Or possibly on my chest, depending on the type of meditation I am doing on that night. Right, and then we've got, oh, what is this one? So we've got like two crystals. This box is amazing. So we've got cream and black. I can't see what that says. But we've got another crystal here, and it says it's for balance, to help balance and support your chakras. Chakras? I always say chakra. So this is for stabilising your energy, stay grounded, great stone, for health, general well-being and emotional stability. It also can help you to connect with your spiritual self and guide you on your spiritual path. Ooh, that's interesting. I like to do quite a bit of spiritual work. So that is nice. And then there's still 3 more things left in the box. We got some, 3 things left. We've got some ritual candles, and these are, they're white. Oh, I've got one white, one black. The white one's for peace, healing and truth, and the black is for protection, banishing and resilience. So I do like their spell candles. They are really good quality. They are nice and tapered. They are overall really good candles. So put that paper there because I do try and save all the paper. So these are our 2 candles. You can see again, compared to my hand, they are a decent sized candle. They're nicely tapered as well. I do like these candles. I've got a whole stash of them that I actually haven't even used yet. Right, so now one thing I'm really excited about is this. So it's a drinking cup, and it just says, reject those. We'll start that again, I'll read it first. Reject that which does not serve. With witch casket on the back. It looks like a real nice sturdy cup. Yeah, actually I think this one as well, look in there, it's got a little seal bit here, might actually be leak proof as well. Ooh, I love getting a cup. I'm glad I didn't now. So we've got a cup, and then the last thing is the scroll, which I'm going to open up and I'm going to have a look and see if it's a big read or not. Because if it's a big read, we ain't doing it. We don't do reading because we're not very good at it. Or apparently opening this up. Now, I've definitely enjoyed this box. Really excited box. I'm glad, literally, I've just come home from picking up the kids from school and I saw my little blue package on the floor and I was like, nah, do release out for a sec, kids. I need to open this. Okay, so we've got tips for magic on the go. I'll just give you a quick rundown. So it says about using sigils, which I do quite a lot of. Charm bags, tarot. I got tarot cards. I'm not very good for tarot cards. I tend to use angel cards or oracle cards a lot. Crystals, books, drinks, and nature. So there's all of those. And there, so I might post that onto my Instagram if anyone's interested. I don't know. If you would like to see it, message me and I will pop it onto my Instagram. But so that is everything in this box. I mean, my desk, okay, granted my desk is a mess. But, I'm just going to move this. We've got a lot in this box. A freaking lot. So, we got our Boss Witch little plaque thing. We've got our Boss Witch pin. We've got our little, what did I say it was? Iron-on badge. We've got the Sensual Blend from Ancient Wisdom. We got the Palm Stone. I'm running out of hand space already. We got the scroll as we always do. We got the cup. Oh my god. We got the spell candles. I'm running out of hands. I'm dropping things. We got the seeds. We got coffee. We got a ritual kit. We got, oh my god. We got a stone crystal. We got a necklace. We got, as always, we got that. And this, like, my candles are still in the box. I mean, just, it's so much stuff this month. This is the biggest box ever. So I'm just going to now have a look at the list of content, just so it can give me a bit more context onto everything that we got. Just pop my Boss Witch back there. So we got the travel mug, the patch, the ritual kits, the pin, magic on the go parchment scroll, the fennel seeds, the ritual candles, the essential oil blend, the palm stone, the coffee, the pendant, and that is it. Oh yeah, and we also got this as well, I forgot to mention. So that's everything in this month's box. I freaking loved this box this month. I mean, it was jam-packed. And I cannot wait for next month. So guys, if you do like and you are interested in these videos, don't forget to hit the like button and to subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit that notification bell as well. See ya!